Okay, let us read the question first. So we are given a state diagram of a Turing machine, and it is asking the Turing machine always halts if the given string of zeros and one contains even number of zeros, even number of ones, odd number of zeros, odd number of ones, and a condition is given that 0 is printed at the end by the TM. Means when my Turing machine is halting, 0 is being printed by the Turing machine. So what we have to do, let's look at the Turing diagram first, what it is doing. Okay, let us understand by drawing it here. A state, we have state Q0 and we are having 0 0 R. Okay, let's say what does it mean by this 0 0 R. Let's say we have some input, and my first input, let's say, is 0. Okay, so my input string is just started, so I am at the start state. This symbol denotes the start state Q0. So what this symbol is saying, that current symbol will be replaced with movement direction. Okay, so what we have 0, this thing we have 0. So what it is saying, my current symbol is 0. Now this will be replaced with 0 itself, means this symbol is replaced with 0 itself, and now be in Q0 state and move my cursor in right direction. So this is my right direction, this is my left direction. So move the cursor in the right direction. Clear? Let's see what is happening at this thing. It is saying that here it is saying that whenever you get a 0, be in this state, replace with 0 itself and move right. Okay, if you get a 1, replace it with 1, change the state to Q0 and again move to right. If you get 0, replace it with 0 itself, move to right. If you get 1 on this state, replace it with 1 and again go to right. So what this symbol is stating, what we do when we write some input string, let's say I have this input string, what I do, I mark some end marker at both the sides. So this end marker could be anything like $, hash, B, or here they have given this symbol. So what it is saying, that if you have reached till any end symbol, so in this case our end symbol is this, so if you have reached till this end symbol, replace this end symbol with 0 and go to the state Q0. So from Q1, if from Q1 you are getting any end marker, end symbol, then you replace it with 1 and go to the final state, that is my Q2. So what my question is saying, that Turing machine always halts and 0 is printed at the end by the Turing machine. So when my Turing machine will print the 0, when it will follow this edge, so whenever it will go from Q0, it will, so when it will have a transition on Q0, it will go to my Q2. So the answer is B, even number of ones. Let's say now what you can do for this kind of thing, you can take a sample string, and can see where it is halting. Okay, Let's say we take an odd number of zeros. Okay, we take an odd number of zeros with odd number of ones. Let's say if it holds or not. We have put our end marker at the end of the string. Now see, from 0 it will remain on Q0. So here I have 0, it will replace it with 0 itself and move to right. Now it got 1. What it is saying, on 1 you replace it with 1 and move to right and come to state Q1. So here it is replaced with 1, again move to right. Same, now I am on state Q1, again 0. 0 is replaced with 0 and move to right. So like this I'm again going back to the Q0, again coming here 0, here I am. So now I am at state Q1. Here I am at state Q1. I am at state at Q1. What I am seeing, end marker, it will be replaced with 1 and it will go to my state Q2. But what my question says, that 0 is printed at the end by the TM. So 0 is printed at the end by the TM. So answer is even number of 1. In this question, what you can do, can try with different combinations of zeros and ones. Thank you.